Hi NARC troopers. I'm here close to the San Francisco Zoo, Ocean Beach. There's 6,000 miles of ocean behind me. And it's mysterious and deep and powerful. When you come to the ocean, you feel an electrical charge. You feel the energy of it and you suck it in. I want to tell you that you have to find your strength through nature and through people who speak your language. Build your tribe. Today is the day after Christmas 2022, and as we approach 2023, I think we need to spend some time in nature. And we need to spend some time with ourselves alone. I'm here alone. I drove myself here alone. I had lunch alone, and now I'm here on the beach alone. I might go to the zoo alone, and that's good for me. It's like a date with myself. You need to do that too. Stop thinking about what your narcissist is doing. He's not yours. She's not yours. They never belong to anyone. They're never in it. Intimate, committed. 100% authentic. That's not what it was. It's not what it will ever be. So you have to just let that go. Worry about yourself and rejoice with yourself. Celebrate with yourself. Because life is short. Look at this view behind me. Find your place of power. Take your shoes off, go stand in the grass. You have an ocean near you, go there. You have a lake near you, go there. You have a forest near you, go there. You'll be filled up. And you'll be one step closer to healing. Okay guys, let's go do something for ourselves, with ourselves, by ourselves. Much love.